Introducing ClearChoice by Alma Lasers, a unique platform that features two distinct laser modules providing added versatility in the fight against nail fungus. ClearLift is an ND-YAG 1064 nanometer Q-switched laser. Firing nanosecond bursts, it quickly delivers high energy and heat to the nail bed, killing the yeast organism at a targeted location. The 1064F laser emits light that is absorbed by the pigmented yeast responsible for the nail infection. The absorbed energy is converted to localized heating, which kills the infecting organism and results in clearing the signs of infection from the nail. Alma Lasers, the clear choice in the fight against nail fungus.